Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Usumbun Menteri Rangba kejelau berkemi ikatnat kampo iye ngba Preston tensong uloong bagi jingkam jogi Pulit jau Presiden jogi Nehusu Students Union usamla sandi sotun kalong Katkum ke Ejahar bagi Pulit gilai opriang hak jingkran begelap petai kubur hak arp hundai teri uyayong arja absan uba Preston uloong bagi jing toke kerangya cakmat ba menta kasyong satang hak kasyari ban pensyong longrem ye jing syak no lakan ai ne kam ai jamin jau Presiden ke Nehusu Hakabaide bagi jingrung jogi bor Pulit la phalau jong skol ba Nehu ba Preston la penkesan daga baong bakam dadon kam ya sarkar bandapan jingbet lada ka jinglong jingman kam itikena shu ya jingsngan jogi no hikai kinong trei bat kisamla puli hapo skol ba
engaging or boosting these the forces inside the Northeastern Hills University campus. We have already withdrawn last time after taking stock of the situation, and number two, we have already discussed with the in charge of the whole campus of Nehu. So ultimately, we decided to withdraw the engaging or the posting of security over there. Well, you see, I think it is not necessary to seek permission in case if the situation situation arises that we have to take care of the situation. So I don't see any kind of prior permission to be given by the concerned authority. And you know well that the government is also concerned very well about the security, the safety of everybody, especially in the campus, the students and the teachers and everybody. So therefore, I think I should not say that we need a prior permission entering anywhere, be it the locality or be it in the premises of the different agencies, central or state government. So it depends on the situation. Well, in fact, from the government side, what we are saying is we already even send a message very clearly. See, we pick up the president on the basis of the FIR. So allow the investigation to complete, and once that is done, because ultimately we are free to go to the court, and the court will ultimately take the final consideration whether to grant bail or not to grant bail. That is the thing. So I would request the students community to kindly allow the investigation to complete, and at the same time, you see, anybody, we can't just take the law in our own hands, because if it is true as per the FIR that the professor was beaten up by the president or by anybody. So I personally feel, see, we have to really make sure that everybody who are here in Meghalaya, they are safe. Be it the lecturers, be it the faculties from outside the state, or be it anybody doing business or doing some business, some office services over here. I mean, everybody has to be safe. And from that angle, the government has already taken stock of the situation, and I would once again request the student community to bear with us, allow the law to take its own course, and once that investigation process is completed, so now the court will take over.